Hi all, I've got another Godot quick tip. This one is more concerned with your editor panes and how to maximize your editor space to be more efficient. When you're working within the Godot editor, you can move these various panes to go to particular locations and maximize your screen space. Whether you're left eye oriented or right eye oriented, you can put everything on the left side or the right side. But it prevents having to drag across the scene, which makes it more difficult. And if you lay out your editor appropriately, you can actually make things very efficient for copying particular things to objects, such as putting your file system next to your scene hierarchy. So we have a networking manager object here, so if we create a new networking manager CS, we can move this directly on here without having to drag across the entire scene, and it keeps things laid out vertically so that we can easily see much of what exists within this particular scene without having to do much of a struggle, let alone dragging, say if we have it over here, all the way across the scene to place it on a particular object. Likewise, you can also keep your inspector down here, or even underneath it, to easily be able to see information that is relative to these particular objects, without having to look all across the entire planet to be able to see these particular features. Hope this helps, and have a good rest of your day. Cheers, dudes.